Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss more topics on the Python tutorials. So we are going to discuss the topic list, dictionary and tuples. So what is a list? A list is used to store multiple values inside any variable denoted by a square bracket. Means if you store any values inside that square bracket, that square bracket is nothing but a list. Like if you want to store nums equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a list. If you print list nums, you will get a list 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to access the any position means any position inside the list, you can give like array also. We will discuss later what is array, but for the time being, array is used to store the elements which is of similar data types. So if you want to access nums means this list, then you have to write nums of 0. With nums of 0 you can access the first element, means 0th index element, it will give 1. So what is the index? Index is a specified position inside the list or any array, strings, anything. Means it gives a position at which the value is stored. So if you want to access the first 0th position element, then nums of 0, it will give 1. If you want to access the last element, the nums of 3, it will give 4. So you are thinking that what will happen that if I give the element as the 5 in this index, it will give out of range, means no element is exist. Let's see 9 I am giving. It's given list index out of range, means no element is present there. If you want to access the element from the last position, then you can give a nums equal nums minus 1. So minus 1 in used to trace the elements from the last position. In Java you cannot do this. Okay, just try to understand this. And if you want to means if you want to store strings, then you can write as names equal to here and given India comma USA. So if you print names, it will give India and USA. So you can do operations on strings on list also. Then if you want to concatenate two strings, means you have to join two strings. Not a concatenate is not a right word. If you want to join two strings, like if you are giving a new variable equal to nums and names, what it will do? Any guesses? If you know what the answer, just pause the video for a minute and give me a solution of this. Okay, I'm going to find this. If you print AUN, it is even 1, 2, 3, 4, and India in US, means it has joined the two lists in one. One list contains some strings and one list contains of the numbers, and both strings and both the list is come under one list. So this is for the list. If you want to append the element and okay, there are two things to know: append function and insert function. In using append function, you can insert the element in the last position, and using insert function, you can insert the element at any position. Okay, so let's see nums variable nums dot insert. Okay, and if you're going to insert the element, you have to specify the position first and then you will give the element. So if I'm giving 2 comma 44, what will it give? If you are thinking that the 3 will be removed from here, then you're wrong. It will give 1, 2, 44, 3 and 4. See, let's print 1, 2, 44, 3 and 4. This is a best use of Python, because in Python we have the choice to keep the element as also. If you do not want that element to be removed, you can use the list also. For deleting the elements, pop, it will give the last element. So pop has removed the last element. If you print this nums, then it will give 1 to 44 and 3. This is for remove the last element. Okay. If you want to delete any element, then you can directly give nums dot remove what each element you want to give. Suppose I'm removing 44. If you print nums, it is given 1 to 3 because it has removed, and the value is updated here. You can see nums equal to 1 to 44 and 3. If you want to remove the element 44, then nums dot to remove 44, then nums equal to 1 to 3. So it removes the 44 and 44 from the list. So this is for list. Now we are moving towards the tuple. Means what is a tuple? First, we use tuple as to store the elements, and you cannot change the value inside the tuple. Means tuple is immutable. Once you have stored the value inside the tuple, you cannot change it. So this is the meaning of immutable, and it is denoted by the parenthesis. Okay, like this you denote the tuple. So if you are to store the element tuple equal to 21, 33, 30, 43, then if you print tuple, it is even 21, 33 and 43. So this is for tuple. If you want to store the elements inside the tuple, you have to give by parenthesis. If you want to, just like list, if you want to access the element, you can access it by tuple of 1. Tuple of 1 it will give 33. Tuple of 0 it will give 21. Tuple of 2 it will give 43. Okay. Suppose if you want to change the value, suppose you want to, in place of 33, if you want to change it to 34 or 44, then let's see what will happen. Equal to 44. Oh, it's given an error. Why? Because I already told that tuple is immutable. You cannot change the value inside it once you have stored it. Okay. So, and now we can move towards the sets. Sets is also like tuples, and sets is used to store elements in the sequence. Means it is the fastest method in the Python. It stores the elements in the fastest way, and it will give the element in any order. So if I print, it is denoted by the curly braces. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If you print A, okay, it is given in 1, 2, 3, 4, but we can give in any order. Let's say A equal to 22, 12, 123, 21. If you print this A, it is given 123, 12, 21, 22. So it can give in the values in any order. So this is the small definitions for the sets. Let's move on to the dictionaries. Dictionary is the main topic here. Dictionary is used to store the values in large order. Means large amount of values you can store inside the dictionary. It works on the key value pair. It works on key value pair as, like if you are storing data equal to, it means you are making a one dictionary, data equal to one key, and if you write in my name Prakhar and comma to Nipun, if you want to store the element, then if you want to access the element, see data if you will give, then you will get the full dictionary. If you want to access the any value, then you have to give data and index a key value. So, data 1, it will give the value of the key element as Prakhar. Okay. And see, if you want to access the element, you can also use data dot get 1, it is given Prakhar. If you are going to give 3, then it will give if you print data, it is given to Prakhar and Nipun only, means it won't give the third element. Okay, so this is for the dictionary. If you want to print like data of get is Prakhar, data of get 3, it is given nothing. See, data of get 3, it's given nothing. But in tuple you can see that if you're giving the wrong value, wrong index, that it is given the out of range. So in dictionary, if you give as data dot get and that something value that is not present in the dictionary, then it will give the element is not present, means it will give nothing. If you want to then print this data of dot get of 3, it is given none. So this is for the element is not present, it will not give any error. Okay, so this is for the dictionary, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.